That's cute. Try that on.
This one has a broken striker.
It's broken?
Yeah, it's like a tiny, but it's orange.
Orange? Oh, okay. We're going to Panera Bread.
They're on the side, try to do that.
Welcome to our town. Pet Supermarket, Dollar Tree, Primus Footwear. And this is the Old Navy coming up. TG Maxx, Dex, Publix down there. We're going to Deck. See, that's the one I saw online. This one. 55. They have the North Face. Oh, this is nice. I like this. What's that?
65, and there's 3 pockets.
Oh, nice. This is nice. Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. You want that?
Didn't know that.
65.
Yeah, the one that we have.
Oh, what's that? What do you have?
4 zippers.
Oh, wow, this one. Oh, oh, this one too. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is nice. What?
That's the way this one is, you know? Opens right up in the middle.
It's like a duffel bag, backpack style. What?
It's my body.
What do you think?
That's right. I like it.
Ooh, these are the kayaks. Double seater.
Oh, I didn't want that.
It's too big. I want a cute kayak. Oh yes. Yeah, this will be perfect enough for me.
It took you.
250.
They're not bad prices.
No.
Nothing frozen, french fries, anything like
No,
that.
nothing. Anything else, you? For snacks? Hi guys. Right here. Right here, my oatmeal.
Let's make it your fruit bar. Fruit bars there on the left. Alright. Yeah, let me get in your shoulder.
We're going home and we have a very yummy dinner tonight. You watch it guys what we have. Very delicious dinner. Thank you guys for watching. Smells so good. Hey guys, tonight we are, guess what we're having? We're having a frog fest for the first time ever. I'm from Philippines, but this is my very first time to eat a frog. It just happened that our butchers has it. The frog legs here is not cheap, and it's actually good. It's a good size of legs. I've heard some of you said it's delicious. Some of my family members also, they have eaten a frog and they also said it's delicious. So anyway, so I want to try it out with my family. Okay, so I cook. Look at this.
Green pepper, red onion, and spring onions and garlic with a Szechuan sauce. Right? And then, ginisang adobo.
The other one is fried.
Look at that, guys. It looks like shrimp. Look at that jumbo shrimp, don't it? It looks like a jumbo shrimp. And I just sprinkled a sour cream and onion.
We have one for Daddy, one for me, and then they also have for the girls.
All right, let's taste.
Frog adobo.
And we have the Szechuan.
Tastes good.
Yeah?
Better than chicken.
Yeah.
If you weren't to tell me that this is frog, I wouldn't have noticed.
Huh?
Like, just by looking at it. By tasting it, it's different.
Did you eat it?
No. I've got one.
Which one?
This one. Right here. Oh. Got that one.
Here, I got a big one for you.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm good.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yeah.
That's a big one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let's see.
I got it.
I got it.
It's good. It's soft meat.
Yeah, right?
You know. Let's go.
Do you think, girls? Okay, this one. This is a Szechuan.
Kind of like chicken, but not really.
Here's the adobo.
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
Well,
Okay.
This is the best part. This is the best part. It's good. It's very soft meat. It's very soft meat. It's good.
What about you girls? What do you think is better? Cooking. That one? That style or adobo?
I like the adobo better.
You like the adobo better?
I like this one better because it has fruits and vegetables in it too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the fry. Crunchy, juicy. What do you think of that? Daddy.
Okay.
I like it more when it's like not fried.
Not fried?
Not fried?
I like all of it.
You like You like all of it?
Frog
I
legs
like
are
it better fried.
Oh yeah?
No.
Oh?
But that's just me because I fried. Right?
Yeah, I know, right? You like fried.
I won't fried, so.
I like it too. I like it fried.
Right?
good. You like it fried?
Actually, I prefer it fried.
Yeah.
Adobo also. It's good. This is actually how American cook their this frog. Deep fry. Deep fry. Like a fried chicken. So, somewhere in a restaurant they also offer frog legs here. Deep fry probably. We just didn't think of ordering it. Crunchy.
I like it.
Good with panko. Panko really makes the difference when it comes to frying. Whether you're frying a fish, a frog, chicken, pork, panko. Daddy ate all his fried.
The fried one.
Actually, guys, we don't only have frogs. We don't. We don't only have frogs, guys. We have
I have mushrooms.
chicken schnitzels and then mushrooms and eggs. We have mix of everything here on the table. But the frog is just part of our dinner appetizer.
It's your appetizer.
I thought it was delicious and it was a new thing to try and it was good. And if Molly never brought up about eating frogs, I've never have tasted it.
So when you go to Philippines, would you mind to eat frogs over there in Philippines?
Maybe just to try it.
Or anywhere in Philippines, if they have frogs, would you eat their frogs there when they served you a frog?
I mean, absolutely. Like if I haven't tried it right now,
Mhm.
and then I notice how popular it was there, I would try it because if I heard like so much good things about it, like how you did, you wanted to try it because of the good remarks and comments
Yes.
on how it tastes. So I would try it.
Okay. That's called being open-minded. Now, how about Daddy?
Oh, it's good. I like it the best was the fried. So if they cooked it overseas fried, or if you actually just took it off the bone, you know, you would never, if you took it off the, you know, the leg and put it into a different dish too. It's a very soft meat.
It is.
It's very soft, very tender. So it's good, but I prefer it this way fried. Be able to even taste that it was frog if you took it all the way off the bone and put it into something else completely. People probably wouldn't be able to tell. They would think it's a soft chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I do like the
Yummy.
fried. I like the
Also?
fried the best.
Want some?
No, go ahead, finish it.
Thank you guys for watching.
Have a good day,
everyone.
everyone.